We're in Melakka, Malaysia in the famous Jonker Street, and we're visiting a chicken rice stall that has a speciality that only exists here. People will line up and the place is always crowded just for a piece of their chicken rice balls. It's basically the regular Hainanese chicken rice compressed into a small ball, believing that it retains heat much better. It is served with the usual suspects, a Hainanese boiled chicken, some livers, and some gizzards, with the addition of some sweet and spicy chili sauce. Chicken rice is famous all over Southeast Asia, but the version with the balls is only available in Melakka. The balls are compressed similar to Indonesian lontong.
We're here in Melakka in Jonker Street, where we're going to try the famous chicken rice balls. So it's a ball entirely made out of chicken rice, and it's compressed, it's compact.
And the chicken.
And the chicken. Chicken rice always comes with chicken, obviously.
So Hainanese chicken rice.
It's similar to Indonesian lontong. It's amazing. Oh my god.